Hey guys, welcome back to Mind Pump TV. I'm your host, Sreen Wilkin. In this video, I'm going to take you through 5 key exercises you can do at home to improve your posture while you're pregnant. And if you guys would like more information, make sure to check out mindpumpfree.com. We have lots of information on there, including free guides as well to help you along your fitness journey. So when we're talking about postural adaptations that happen during pregnancy, a lot of it starts with where the pelvis is. So when you are growing in your stomach area, your baby's growing with you, your pelvis starts to anteriorly tilt naturally, which actually exaggerates the curves of your spine. So the natural curves that you currently have. Your upper back, your mid back tends to get a little more rounded, which causes the forward shoulders and also a tighter chest area. So let's start first with the chest stretch. I'm going to show you guys how to connect with that stretch, and then we'll proceed to more exercises. So here, I'm just going to hold, you can hold a door frame. I'm going to hold the rack here. I've got shoulder level with my arm long. From that position, I'm just going to find a stretch position. So I don't want to overstretch my pec area, but keep some contact on that pillar as I hold. Now, I'm going to hold for 5 seconds, feeling all of that stretching here because I want to be able to gain range of motion in my shoulder as well as my upper body. Now, from here, what you're going to do is actually try to pull your arm off of the platform, off of the door frame, and retract. So see if you can pull away from it. So now you're trying to connect to that. After you stretch the front, you're using the opposing muscles to pull back. Hold that for 5, 4, 3, 2, and then connect again. Hold the stretch again, and just repeat that sequence 5 times. So now that we've opened up the front of our chest area, now we're going to focus on scapular retractions, and that's going to really help facilitate these pulling motions that are the next exercise to come. So from here, I want your arms nice and long. Think about allowing your shoulders to come forward. Then I want you to use your rhomboids and pull back as well as your lats and squeeze your shoulder blades together. Come forward and then squeeze. So even though it's a very small movement, you're really focusing on letting that shoulder blade glide on your rib cage. And you're trying to be careful of not elevating the shoulders as you retract them. So sometimes when people practice this, it ends up being this upper movement like that. Think about tucking your shoulder blades down your back, remaining nice and upright and neutral in your seated position as you pull back. All right, you guys, now that we've opened up the front, we've done the scapular retractions, now we're going to use that to do a seated row. So at home, using the bands, you can use this in the door frame and hook it up with a little door stopper. You can pull and retract. Remember, we're not elevating, but squeeze the back as you come back here. With the bands, you can hold and squeeze for 4, 3, 2, 1, lengthen forward. So just by holding that back behind you, you're really isolating in the isometric squeeze of the upper back, postural muscles, keeping that body nice, neutral spine, and return. And all of these positions you're going to be doing in the sequence you can do throughout your pregnancy in either of the trimesters. They're all safe exercises you guys can do at home. Holding for 4, 3, 2, 1, and lengthen here. Next exercise, now we're going to focus on a seated face pull with an anchor that's above you. You can anchor at the top of a door frame at home, and what you're basically going to be doing is pulling your shoulders into external rotation. So again, you're trying to open up using the back of your upper back muscles and the back of your shoulders. From here, I'm going to take my grip at the ends of the band. Palms are going to face down and so are the thumbs. As I pull back and I frame my face here, I come into this external rotation. And this is really pivotal because I want you guys not to elevate in your shoulders. I want you to depress them down just like that. So you're squeezing the upper back, holding 3, 2, 1, and lengthen forward as you rotate. Make sure you use a very light band for this exercise because you don't want to overload the traps and the bigger muscles that are going to try to take over. You want to really feel that rotation in the shoulder joint and squeeze the upper back for 3, 2, and 1, and come on back. And this exercise is great just for posture in general. So after you have your baby and you've got to be nursing and picking up your new infant, you're going to have some of that rounded shoulder that's still gonna wanna come forward. This exercise is fantastic just to help mitigate that over time. All right, you guys, next exercise is an upright Y raise. I've got the anchor point up high again and a light band. Typically this exercise is done prone on a bench, but since your tummy is growing, you don't want to put pressure on that area through each of your trimesters. I like this modification because you can lean a little bit forward and still get this line of tension in that letter Y to focus on the middle of your traps. Let's go ahead and hold the band. I want you guys to think thumbs behind you here. We're gonna kick our thumbs out, lean a little bit forward, widen your legs, and think about reaching back and forward. So keeping the arms long, kicking the thumbs behind you, you're working the mid-trapezius here as well as the back of the deltoids. Forward and back. So this is a tough exercise. Again, make sure that you have that light band to help you. Feel that retraction of your shoulder blades as you pull back and think about that letter Y. Great exercise for posture. Thanks so much for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. And make sure to check out mindpumpfree.com for more guides and more information to help you along your fitness journey. Thanks so much, and we'll see you soon.